Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate my small project. First of all, see my project, and after seeing you will be very fascinating or interested in seeing my code of this program. So first of all, see my program. What I am going to do, I am going to run my Python code, Python 3, and my file name is my assistant.py.
Write which program you want to run.
Okay, as I hit enter, it says that write which program you want to run. So here I am writing that open YouTube for me.
Hey Aditya, I am opening YouTube.
As I hit enter, it says that hey Aditya, I am opening YouTube, and for me it opens the YouTube automatically. I have nothing done here. I have just written this code, and this code is opening YouTube for me. In same way, you can open Google Chrome. You can write open Google Chrome.
Hey Aditya, I am opening Google Chrome.
As I hit enter, it says that hey Aditya, I am opening Google Chrome, and it launches Google Chrome for me. You thought that this is fixed, that you have to write open Google Chrome or open YouTube for me, but I am saying that it is not fixed. My program checks only these two keywords, Google or Chrome. If it find these two keywords in your sentence, then it will open Google Chrome. Here it finds only keyword YouTube. If what you have written, you can write in different way. See, you can write please my PC open YouTube.
Hey Aditya, I am opening YouTube.
Again it is saying hey Aditya, I am opening YouTube, and it is opening YouTube for me. So you may get interested. Now you may get interested in seeing the code. So I am showing the code how I have written. It is a very beginner level project or beginner level programming of Python, through which I am going to do this. So I am going to open this file in Vim text editor. So this is the code of my program. Here firstly I have imported import OS, through which all the functions and features of my OS get imported. After that I have imported pyttsx3. So person who have done little bit programming in Python, they are familiar with the import OS and import pyttsx3. What pyttsx3? Pyttsx3 converts my text into the voice. As I run program, you have heard that it is saying write which program you want to run. This is done by this library. So what in next line I have written pyttsx3.speak, and which text you want to get in voice, you have to write in double inverted comma. I have written write which program you want to run, and it is, as I run the program, it is saying it. After that I have taken input, and I have taken input of the text. So it is taken input from me. Now you have written the text. As I hit enter, what is going on? All the conditions get checked. If it finds Firefox in your sentence, then will it open Firefox. If it finds Google or Chrome or both in your sentence, then it will open Google Chrome. And same for this OBS Studio, VS Code, YouTube, and Jupyter Notebook. So that is the way my program is going to run. So see, if it finds Firefox in my code, then what it does? It speaks first. Hey Aditya, I am opening Firefox. Then by using os.system, it launches my Firefox. So this is the way that how my program is running. So this is the small or basic level project. Okay, if any one of the keyword doesn't match, so what is if else condition runs and it says do not support. So I'm going to show that how it says do not support. I am saving this file. Okay.
Write which program you want to run.
Okay, it says write which program to run. I am saying that open VLC player for me. Open.
Do not support.
But it is not in my conditions and this keyword doesn't match, so it says that do not support. I am giving this Python code in the description box. You can also run it and check it that it is right or not. So thanks for watching guys, have a good day.